Hey, what's up everyone? I received this digital caliper from Hardell to try out, and I'm gonna show you how it works.
So this does come in a really nice case to keep it nice and protected. If you take a look at this, I love that the monitor is very clean, clear, and it has a number of different types of way to measure. So we have fractional inches, and then we also have it in millimeters and then in inches. And then of course you have the 0 button and then the on and off button. The buttons are very responsive. And I also like that it has this little kind of increases the tension if needed, so that it's a little bit more difficult to kind of pull through so you get exact measurements, versus if you want to just really loose, you can just do that. If you want to, you can move it back and forth pretty easily. Now here, you can tell there's a slight discrepancy, and of course you can zero it at any time. Now it does measure the outside external measurements. So for example, you could measure just kind of the width of this Apple Watch, like so, but then you could also measure the inside of an object by using the other end of the caliper. And then what I like about this is it also has a depth meter. So here you can measure the depth of a particular object by using this little stick right here. Oh, and it does USB-C charge. It comes included with a cable. It takes 20 minutes for a full charge, but this thing will last 3 to 6 months after that full charge. So overall, I am really happy with this. I do a lot of 3D printing, and in order for it to get accurate designs, if I want to copy an object, I need accurate measurements. So really happy with this. So I'm grateful for the brand for sending out the sample, but hope you all found this helpful and have a great one. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.